Stop struggling with stubborn bolts. Today, we're breaking down the best cordless impact wrenches that deliver serious power without the cord. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this video will help you find the right impact wrench for torque, battery life, and real-world performance. We'll compare top models, highlight key features, and explain which one is best for automotive work, construction, or home projects. All the impact wrenches featured in this video are linked in the description below so you can check current prices and details easily. Let's get started. Built for demanding fastening jobs, this tool delivers exceptional torque for heavy-duty automotive, industrial, and construction tasks. The Dewalt DCF 900P1 cordless impact wrench provides up to 1,030 foot-pounds of fastening torque and a massive 1,400 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, making it ideal for seized lug nuts, pipe flanges, and large anchor bolts. It features a 4-mode speed selector with precision wrench control to prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff, giving users greater accuracy during critical applications. Powered by Dewalt's 20-volt Max XR platform, it maintains strong performance while protecting the battery through its shock-absorbing battery guard system. The oil-resistant glass-filled nylon housing enhances durability on tough job sites, while the built-in LED light improves visibility in dark work areas. Users consistently praise its raw power, reliability, and long battery life, noting it removes stubborn bolts with ease. Although its weight is noticeable, professionals agree the performance justifies the heft. Overall, it's a rugged, high-torque solution trusted by mechanics and contractors alike. Engineered to balance power and convenience, this cordless tool is designed to tackle stubborn fasteners without the hassle of air hoses. The Protmex impact wrench delivers up to 900 foot-pounds of torque through a high-efficiency brushless motor that reaches speeds of 3,500 RPM. It includes 3 forward speed modes for controlled fastening and a fixed-speed reverse mode with a brake stop function that prevents bolts from flying loose. Powered by two 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour lithium batteries, it offers extended runtime and fast charging, keeping downtime to a minimum. The compact housing and integrated LED work light make it suitable for tight or low-visibility spaces. Build quality is solid, with reinforced internal components designed for frequent automotive and mechanical use. Customers appreciate that it arrives as a complete kit, including sockets, extension rod, batteries, and charger, allowing immediate use out of the box. User feedback highlights its strong torque, ease of handling, and impressive battery endurance. Many note it performs comparably to air-powered tools, making it an excellent value for DIY users and professionals. Designed with portability and control in mind, this compact tool focuses on efficiency rather than sheer size. The Flex 24-volt brushless cordless impact wrench delivers up to 450 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque while remaining significantly lighter than many competitors. Its 24-volt lithium system provides improved power output, longer runtime, and faster charging thanks to advanced heat management technology. The wrench features auto-stop and bolt removal modes to reduce over-tightening and prevent fastener drops, making it ideal for precision work. A 360-degree LED system with adjustable brightness ensures excellent visibility in confined spaces. Despite its lightweight plastic construction, the tool feels sturdy and well-balanced during operation. Users praise its compact form factor, especially when working in tight engine bays or overhead applications. While it may not replace high-torque models for heavy truck work, customers agree it excels in everyday automotive and maintenance tasks. Overall, it's a well-built, intelligently designed impact wrench that delivers strong performance with impressive control. Precision and accessibility define this compact cordless solution built for confined workspaces. The Milwaukee Fuel 2 854-20 cordless impact wrench delivers up to 250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque in an ultra-short body measuring under 5 inches. Powered by a brushless motor and Milwaukee's RedLink Plus intelligence, it offers excellent efficiency while protecting against overload, overheating, and battery damage. The 4-mode drive control includes auto shutoff and bolt removal modes, ensuring accurate fastening without stripping or over-torquing hardware. A friction ring anvil allows for quick socket changes, while Tri-LED lighting minimizes shadows for better visibility. Constructed with alloy steel components, it feels solid despite its lightweight design. Users consistently praise its strength relative to size, noting it handles lug nuts and stubborn bolts with ease. Ideal for mechanics and home users alike, it's valued for reliability, compactness, and precision. While not intended for extreme heavy-duty applications, it excels in tight spaces where larger impact wrenches simply can't fit. Built for demanding mechanical and automotive tasks, this tool emphasizes torque and endurance. The Soarfly upgraded cordless impact wrench delivers an impressive 900 foot-pounds of maximum torque, making it well-suited for truck tires, RV maintenance, and industrial fastening. Its brushless motor operates efficiently, offering up to 3,000 RPM with 3 selectable speed modes for different applications. Constructed with a tungsten steel shaft and aluminum alloy head, it balances strength with reduced fatigue during prolonged use. 2 included 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries ensure extended runtime, while the intelligent brake stop feature enhances safety during bolt removal. The integrated LED work light improves visibility in dark or confined areas. Customers frequently highlight its durability, consistent power output, and excellent value compared to premium brands. The included accessory kit and carrying case add convenience for mobile work. Although slightly heavier, users agree its performance and reliability make it a strong choice for serious DIYers and professionals alike. Designed for heavy-duty performance, this cordless wrench focuses on power, safety, and long-term durability. The Seesii impact wrench delivers up to 579 foot-pounds of tightening torque and 665 foot-pounds of loosening torque, supported by a robust, brushless motor capable of 3,300 IPM. Dual 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries provide extended runtime, while rapid charging minimizes downtime. Its reinforced square drive and tungsten steel anvil enhance impact resistance, and the ABS housing is engineered to withstand drops and harsh environments. Intelligent safety features include auto stop protection, thermal control, and overload prevention for worry-free operation. Users appreciate the ergonomic grip, balanced weight, and strong torque for automotive and construction tasks. While battery longevity receives mixed feedback, most customers praise its overall strength and ease of use. The comprehensive accessory kit and durable storage case further improve its value, making it a practical choice for demanding applications. Built to dominate the toughest fastening challenges, this tool is engineered for extreme torque applications. The Dewalt DCF961B cordless impact wrench delivers an industry-leading 1,200 foot-pounds of fastening torque and an astonishing 1,750 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Its advanced 20-volt XR platform and brushless motor provide sustained power for heavy-duty tasks, such as diesel truck maintenance and industrial assembly. Multiple speed settings and precision wrench mode enhance control while reducing the risk of over-tightening. The rugged alloy steel construction ensures durability under constant stress, and the integrated LED work light improves visibility on demanding job sites. Users consistently describe it as one of the most powerful cordless impact wrenches available, capable of breaking loose bolts that other tools can't. Although its weight is noticeable, professionals agree the unmatched torque and reliability outweigh the drawback. It's a top-tier choice for those who need maximum power without compromise. Thanks for watching. Check the links below, subscribe for more tool reviews, and hit like to support the channel.